So this is your first chiropractic experience, is that right?
Ever, yeah.
Ever. So you're going straight to the top with the ring dinger, right?
Straight to the top, yeah.
All right, awesome. So we'll get you on your back, okay? And then I'll give you some instructions here as we go. But that should feel pretty comfortable right around the neck there, okay? Hand in there.
Oh boy, that's tight. Ooh, that's extremely tight.
So we'll get those out of there very quick, okay? Take a nice big breath in.
Oh. Wow. Wow, that's crazy. That's crazy. Wow.
Where did you feel that primarily?
Starting at my neck, that's where I felt it most, but I felt it all the way down. All the way down. Oh, it's way different in real life.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Is it about what you would have expected? Or different, or more, or less?
It's more than what I would have expected,
Yep.
honestly.
More dynamic.
Yeah, it's one thing in your head, and another thing actually in real life.
Let your head just drop, wiggle your toe on your right foot.
Oh. That's good.
So you go a little bit lower on this side, and just let your head just kind of drop.
Oh.
Lots of popping today.
That's crazy.
You were a little nervous coming in, but that was pretty tolerable, right?
That was very. The nervousness was not justified.
Yeah.
No, it was very good. It was amazing.